Hey guys, how are you doing? After the latest iOS 18.4 software update, some users have reported in Apple support communities and in online forums that their iPhone battery drains faster than earlier version like iOS 18 or 18.3.2, and they are not sure what is causing such fast battery drain after iOS 18.4 update. The important thing is, whenever you do a major software update, it will take at least 3 to 4 days for the software to do some background optimization and to settle according to your usage. So don't worry, for the 1 week, give some time and see if you're seeing any progress. After 1 week, if you're again seeing the fast battery drain, then you need to do the following checks. Navigate inside the settings, then battery, and then check the battery health. If it is close to 80% on your iPhone, then it is must to visit like 81% or 82%. Then you can visit the Apple Service Center to get it checked. It is due for the battery replacement, because the 18.4 software update alone not the reason for the fast battery drain that you're experiencing. It is the battery that is not able to perform, deliver the peak performance like before. So it is important to change the battery at Apple Service Center. If you have got a new iPhone, like it is within the 2.5 years or 2 years mark, and you have 85% or above battery health, and you're experiencing such fast battery drain problem, as I mentioned earlier, give 1 week time, and if you're still continue to watch that fast battery drain, then you have to observe the battery graph once. So here you can see the activity time, the battery drop is normal according to your usage. If your usage is more like video streaming in mobile data, then the battery drain will be a little bit faster. Otherwise, during the idle time, you can see that the battery is not draining much. The screen idle time is 0. And if there is any issue, even during the idle time, your battery drain will be faster. Do check the video I have provided to, in general, we can take control of the location services and few other tips that helps you to get the best battery performance on your iPhone. So I'll leave a link to that in the description, and in the first comment you can have a look at it. And here you can check the battery graph properly. I also have a separate episode explaining the details of how to read the iPhone battery graph. I'll leave a link to that in the description and in the first comment. If you want to check, you can have a look at it. So make sure the apps are consuming less background time. If it is using more background processing and you're seeing faster drop in the battery, then that could be the reason. The app should be updated to the latest version along with the iOS software update. So go to the App Store, update the apps. If there are any bugs related to the apps with the permissions related settings, then that can also be fixed, and you will see the difference in battery drain and performance. And always make sure to charge your device around a 20% level. That will help you to maintain the iPhone battery health, and it also deliver good battery performance in the backup for your everyday normal usage. If your usage is more gaming, video streaming in low mobile signal coverage area, then the drain is normal. In Wi-Fi, or when you have a good signal coverage with 5G network, the reduce will be, there will be a difference that you will notice the next day or day after tomorrow with the above conditions met. So these are the reasons for fast battery drain that you're experiencing after iOS 18.4 software update. I can say that from my personal experience, I have been testing the beta on my iPhone 15 Pro Max and on the iPhone 12, and so far it is delivering a good battery performance, better than iOS 18 initial releases, and a lot of bugs have been fixed, and I'm able to get a decent 1.5 days battery backup for my normal usage with my iPhone 15 Pro Max. And if the usage is heavy with more video streaming, Instagram Reels and videos, then obviously I'll get like 1 day backup on my 15 Pro Max. The same applies for the Plus models if you're using, but for the 15, 16 and 14 models, it is meant for normal usage, basic usage. So the battery backup will be delivered 1 day if your usage is normal, and if your usage is high, then on that day you may have to charge 2 times. Around afternoon you may be reaching the 20% mark. So with power bank or any other power source, you can of course charge and you can continue using your device. So thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips help you to maintain your iPhone battery health and deliver the reason about why you're experiencing the fast battery drain after iOS 18.4 software update. Thank you so much for watching. For more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.